All right. Here I am, 2 weeks post-surgery. And as you can see, I'm on the treadmill, getting some steps in, feeling good, feeling great. I've been off my pain meds for almost a week now, but I do make sure that I still ice daily. The actual incision area is still a bit swollen, and I still have a little bit of numbness in my groin area. The testicular swelling has gone down, even though it was only minimal at best, at its worst. And I get the occasional pains in my inner thigh still, but all in all, couldn't be happier with the Desarted no mesh hernia technique. Glad I decided to go with that instead of going with the traditional mesh operation. Things are progressing great, as you can see. I make sure to stay active and keep the blood flowing. And I really hope that these videos have helped you guys make your decision pre-surgery and helped you to know what to expect post-surgery as well. So once again, just checking in with you, giving you the 2-week update, and you guys take it easy. Okay, one thing to remember is when you go in for your pre-appointment evaluation, don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't be afraid to read over everything with a fine-tooth comb, no matter how much time it takes. Some things I wish I had asked maybe before I went in are simple things like, how do you sit down in a bed? How do you get up? Like, am I supposed to roll over onto my good side, my bad side? You know, things you don't really think about in the moment, but are very important. How should I get into a car? How should I get out of a car? Because these are things that are going to be critical your first few days after having the surgery, because that's when the pain is at its highest. That's the stage I'm in right now, and I'll be honest, every time I stand up and sit down, it hurts. So you want to know the best possible solution for that pain before you get into that situation. So make sure you ask questions. I'm learning through trial and error, but you don't have to do that. So if I think anything else, I will definitely bring it up and mention it so that you can have that arsenal of questions ready for your doctor before you go into surgery.